Look at her. Come on. Mommy help you. Oh, good job. Good job. Whoa. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
I thought you were taking a picture.
Say hey.
Talk to the camera. Oh, good job. Tell them what you're going to do today.
That you going to church? You look pretty.
Going to go to the church picnic. Eat some barbecue. Huh? Go make some new friends.